Elon Musk recently tweeted called LinkedIn cringe. And honestly, I can understand why some people feel that way. If you've ever scrolled through LinkedIn, you've probably seen those overly dramatic success stories, motivational posts, or people treating every small achievement like a life-changing event. But here's the thing, I don't think that's what LinkedIn is really about. Behind all those viral posts is the world's largest professional network, and that's where the real value lies. Think about it, almost every major company is on LinkedIn. Whether it's Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Meta, OpenAI, or thousands of fast-growing startups, they're all using LinkedIn to hire talent, build their brands, and connect with professionals. Recruiters spend hours every day searching for candidates, and many hiring managers check a person's LinkedIn profile before deciding whether to schedule an interview. Your LinkedIn profile has become much more than an online resume. It's your digital first impression. Whether you're a student looking for an internship, a professional aiming for your next career move, a freelancer searching for clients, or even an entrepreneur trying to grow your network, LinkedIn can open doors that you might never find through traditional job boards. The challenge is that most people create a profile once, add a few details, and never touch it again. As a result, their profile blends into the millions of others already on the platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a LinkedIn profile that actually stands out, not by using gimmicks or buzzwords, but by optimizing the sections that recruiters and hiring managers actually pay attention to. Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you build a career you can be proud of. I cover resumes, interviews, remote jobs, career growth, and practical strategies to get hired faster. With over 5 years of experience in corporate environments, reviewing profiles, sitting in hiring discussions, and working alongside recruiters, the advice I share here comes from real experience inside real companies. If that sounds like the kind of content you need, subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now let's get into it. The very first thing people notice when they visit your profile is your profile picture. Since it's the first visual impression you make, choosing the right photo is extremely important. Studies have shown that profiles with a professional photo receive significantly more views and connection requests than those without one. A professional-looking headshot instantly makes your profile appear more credible and approachable. You don't need expensive photography equipment either. A clear image with good lighting, a friendly expression, and professional attire is usually enough. If you walked into a job interview, you wouldn't show up in a blurry photo taken at a party. If your current photo has a distracting background or doesn't look polished, you can use AI photo editing tools to enhance it. Many free and paid tools can remove backgrounds, improve lighting, or even create a cleaner, more professional look in just a few minutes. There is really no excuse in 2024 to have a poor profile photo. Once you've got a great profile photo, the next thing visitors will notice is your banner. Many people leave the default LinkedIn banner in place, but that's a missed opportunity. Your banner is valuable real estate that can immediately reinforce your personal brand and tell visitors exactly who you are and what you do. Choose a banner that reflects your profession, industry, or area of expertise. Keep the design simple, clean, and visually appealing. Avoid clutter, excessive text, or too many logos. Tools like Canva offer free LinkedIn banner templates that take less than 10 minutes to customize. Another small change that can make a surprisingly big difference is customizing your LinkedIn profile URL. By default, LinkedIn assigns a URL filled with random letters and numbers that looks messy and unprofessional. Replacing it with your name makes your profile look more professional, easier to share on your resume or business card, and easier for recruiters or potential employers to find through search engines. It takes about 30 seconds to change and instantly adds a more polished appearance. Now let's talk about one of the most important and most underestimated parts of your LinkedIn profile, your headline. Most people just put their job title and company name and call it a day. But your headline is actually one of the first things recruiters see when they search for candidates, and it plays a major role in whether they click on your profile or keep scrolling. Instead of simply writing something like marketing manager at ABC company, think about what value you bring. A stronger headline might say something like helping brands grow through data-driven marketing strategies, or customer success professional helping SaaS companies reduce churn and increase retention. It tells the recruiter not just what you do, but what you deliver. That distinction matters enormously. You have 220 characters to work with in your headline. Use them wisely. Include relevant keywords that recruiters in your industry are likely to search for. Think about the problems you solve, the results you drive, and the value you bring. That combination of the keywords and impact is what makes a headline stand out. The next section is your About section, and this is where most people either write nothing at all or copy and paste their resume summary word for word. Neither approach works. Your About section is your chance to tell your professional story in a way that feels human, compelling, and memorable. Start with a strong opening line that immediately captures attention. Something like, after 5 years of helping companies build remote teams across 3 continents, here is what I have learned. Then walk the reader through your background, skills, and what drives you. End with a clear call to action, whether that is feel free to connect or open to new opportunities. Write in first person, use a conversational tone, avoid corporate jargon and buzzwords like synergy, results-driven, or passionate self-starter. What they want to see is a real person with real experience and a clear sense of direction. Keep it between 3 and 5 short paragraphs and make every sentence count. Moving on to the skills section. This section is more important than most people realize because LinkedIn's search algorithm uses your listed skills to match you to opportunities. If you are not listing the right skills, you are essentially invisible to a large portion of the people who could be looking for someone exactly like you. Add up to 50 skills and prioritize the ones most relevant. Think about both hard skills like data analysis or Python and soft skills like leadership or stakeholder management. Once you list your skills, ask colleagues or managers to endorse them. Endorsements add social proof and signal to recruiters that these are genuine competencies. Next up is the featured section, and this one is a hidden gem that very few people use effectively. The featured section allows you to showcase your best work directly. Think of it as your professional portfolio living right inside LinkedIn. You can feature posts you have written, articles, external links to projects, presentations, websites, or any media that demonstrates your expertise. If you have a strong piece of work, a case study, a published article, a successful project, or even a well-performing LinkedIn post, pin it here. When a recruiter visits and sees tangible evidence of your work right at the top, it immediately elevates your credibility in a way that text alone cannot. Let's talk about certifications. Whether you are early in your career or a seasoned professional, certifications signal that you are proactive about learning and stay current. In a competitive job market, that kind of initiative stands out. It shows you have verified knowledge in specific areas. Platforms like Google Career Certificates, Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, HubSpot Academy, and Udemy offer excellent courses across almost every industry. Many of them are free or very affordable. Once you complete a certification, add it directly to your LinkedIn profile under the Licenses and Certifications section. Even 1 or 2 relevant certifications can meaningfully differentiate your profile from someone with a very similar background who has none. Here is something that most LinkedIn profile optimization guides completely skip over, and it might be one of the most powerful things you can do. Stay active on the platform. LinkedIn is not just a static profile, it is a living, breathing professional community, and the algorithm rewards people who engage consistently. You do not need to post every single day, even 2 or 3 times a week makes a difference. Share insights, comment thoughtfully, and congratulate connections. Every interaction increases your visibility and keeps your profile appearing in the feeds of your network, which means more eyes on your profile. And if you are not sure what to post, start simple. Share something you learned recently. Talk about a challenge you overcame at work. Give your honest take on a trend. You do not need to go viral. You just need to be present and consistent. Over time, that consistency builds a reputation, and that reputation attracts opportunities. Now, let's talk about using LinkedIn specifically for your job search. One of the most underused features is the open to work setting. When you turn this on, you can signal to recruiters that you are open to new opportunities either privately or publicly. If you are currently employed, use the private setting. If you are actively job searching, turn on the public banner. It directly increases the number of recruiter messages you receive. LinkedIn's recruiter tools surface open to work candidates more prominently in search results. It is a small toggle that can have a meaningful impact. Also, make sure your profile is fully complete before you start applying. LinkedIn actually gives your profile an all-star rating when you fill out every section, and profiles with all-star status appear higher in recruiter search results. It takes a couple of hours to complete everything properly, but that investment of time can pay off for months and even years afterward. Before we wrap up, I want to ask you something. What is the one part of your LinkedIn profile that you know needs the most work right now? Is it your headline, your about section? Maybe you still have the default banner? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single comment and I would love to know where you are starting from. And that's it. By optimizing these key sections of your LinkedIn profile, you will have a much stronger professional presence and significantly increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters, hiring managers, and potential clients. And significantly increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters, hiring managers, and potential clients. Remember, building a great LinkedIn profile is not something you do once and forget. Keep it updated as you gain new skills or achieve new milestones. Your profile should grow with you. It's an ongoing investment in your career. Staying active by sharing valuable insights, engaging with others, and expanding your network can also help create more opportunities over time. The people who get the most out of LinkedIn are the ones who treat it like an ongoing investment, not a one-time task. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this content reach more people. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is a great time. I upload videos every week covering career growth, resume tips, remote work strategies, and everything you need to get hired faster and grow professionally. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care. I hope this helps you build a profile you are proud of.